Let me show you how to see what Instagram Reels your friends have liked. This feature is turned on by default, allowing you to see all of the Reels that your other friends have liked, unless they have turned it off. Now first, let's head into the App Store or Google Play Store and let's search for Instagram and upgrade it to the latest version. This is a brand new feature, so if you haven't updated it, Instagram just go through the process of updating it to get this. Now, after we have done that, we can head into the Instagram app and head over to the Reels section. In the Reels section, you should be able to see as you scroll through here. At the very top is a friend option, like this one, like this one. So you can swipe over to friends and then you will be able to tap on the little icon towards to the bottom to see which one of your friends has liked these reels. Now if you don't see that, or if you want to hide it, your reels that you have liked, you can always do that in the settings of the Instagram app. So head into the settings of the Instagram app and then we are going to the activity section here, and you can see it says who can see your likes and comments on reels. You just need to switch this to no one if you don't want anyone else to see it, like this. Or if you are not seeing it on your Instagram account, try switching it to followers you follow back to make sure that it pops up. When you go back out of here and go to the Reels section, you will be able to see that friends list at the top.